Hey there, my YouTube fam. Today I'm going to teach you this colorful cut crease look, which I am so obsessed with, and the palette I'm using today is BPerfect Cosmetic Stacey Mary Carnival palette. So let's get started. This brush is from BH Cosmetics, taking the shade name Pep Talk, applying over my crease, and as applying shade, here I am drawing a little flick with the shade, blending the shade as well, and adding more color gradually so it won't look harsh. Same on the other eye. This short smudger brush is from Morphe brushes. Taking the shade named Influence, enhancing my crease area with the same shade, enhancing my crease area with the same method as I did earlier. Same on the other eye. This tiny fluffy blending brush is from Morphe brushes. Now again taking Pep Talk blending Influence shade. This brush is from a Color Studio Professional. Taking this concealer from LA Pro in shade Ivory. Now cutting my crease with the concealer. Taking this brush from BH Cosmetics, blending my concealer. This brush is from a drugstore. Taking the shade named Nude, drawing a V shape and filling the half of my lid with the shade. Taking the shade named Stacey, applying to the inner part of my lid. This mascara is from RIMMEL Cosmetics, applying on my lashes. This brush is from Morphe brushes, taking the shade named Mood, applying it to my lower lash line and dragging it to my inner corner. Using the same shade on the flick. Same on the other eye. This brush is from BH Cosmetics. Taking the shade Keen, applying it to an inner part of my lid. So this is the final look. I hope you all like it. I am so amazed at how this look turned out. Like, share and subscribe. Bye bye.